To view the audit trail of events on the SmartGard keypad, first press the right arrow key to activate the keypad to accept the manager combination. Enter in this manager user 0 combination. And once we're into the programming menu, go ahead and hit the down arrow key until the screen says audit trail. Hit down twice. Hit 1 to scroll through the information on the screen, or if you have a properly equipped printer and interface cable, you can also print directly to a printer. We'll go ahead and display the information on the screen this time. Okay, this is the first audit record. To scroll through it, simply press the down arrow key. What this states is the ID number of the user who performed this action. In this case, it was ID equals 0, so it's the master user. The function code, FCN equals 00, means that function 00 was performed by user 0. Looking at my audit code reference chart, I see that 00 is combination entry. Also on the screen, you've got the date and time that the action occurred. And to continue to scroll through the options, just hit the down arrow key. The keypad will automatically time out if left idle for too long.